Having trouble with Siri saying, "Sorry, I don't understand" on your iPhone? This could be caused by network problems, Siri settings, or microphone issues. Don't worry, in this guide, we'll show you some simple steps to help Siri understand you better. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Clean your microphone. Inspect your iPhone's microphone for dust or debris. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the microphone area. To test if the microphone works, try recording a voice memo or making a call. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Open your browser and go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If the connection is slow, enable airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then disable it. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which performs better. Once your connection is stable, try using Siri again. Solution 3. Enable Hey Siri. Open Settings, tap Siri, tap Talk to Siri. Turn off Talk to Siri if it's turned on. Wait a moment, then tap on Hey Siri. Follow the prompts to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. Solution 4. Check Siri's language settings. Open Settings, tap Siri, tap Language and ensure the selected language matches the one you use. If not, change it. Solution 5. Enable Siri from Accessibility. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down, tap Siri. Scroll down, enable Always Listen for Siri. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. These steps should get Siri understanding you again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're still having trouble, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching.